Hello! Welcome to Technique for Tutorials. In this video, we're going to discuss CloudFunnels inputs. Let's begin. One of the most important functions inside CloudFunnels is gathering the customer's data from opt-in pages. In order to sort this data into a relevant information, CloudFunnels uses a system called inputs. Let's open one of our CloudFunnels to take a look. So I will choose this funnel and click on the Edit Funnel button. As you can see, this is my registration page. And if I go visit the page, you will see a form with the name field, email field, and phone number field. If I right-click on this one and open the page inspector, I have here the name field with the placeholder name. I also have the email field with the placeholder your email and a phone number field with the placeholder your phone, optional. And if you want to add another field like address, your state, city, or home number, or anything else, here is how you would do it. For adding another field, just go back to your funnel, choose your page, go to Setting, and here you will see the valid input names for the project section, as well as the valid input names for the page section right below it. So for example, I want to add an address field to my form. I'll just need to add address on the valid input names for the page section. Then click on Save Settings. Then you will see that when I have added the address here on the valid input names for page section, it will also be automatically added to the valid input names for the project section above. Now let's go back. Select your page and click on the Edit Existing Page button. Now I'll add in my address field on the form. To add a field box, you can easily clone one by clicking on the box and selecting Clone Content. Then I would like to add a margin, so let me go to the Style section. Scroll down and select Margin. Then add in my margin. After that, go back to the Content section and click here on your field and choose the input type, which is text. Then for the placeholder, type in Add your address. After that, choose the correct input name for this field, which is address. If you want to set this field as a required field, just choose here Yes, otherwise No. See here, if I select on the name field, you will see the input type is set as text, which is the correct one. Also for the input name, which is selected as name. For the email, the input type is set as email. Also for the input name. Here on the phone number field, it's currently set as text on the input type, but instead you can select number or telephone for this one. You can also remove the optional node if you want to set it as required field. And now, select Yes on the required field section. Make sure to select the right input types and names per field. Then here is my form. And always remember that the form tag method is always set as post. When that's done, click on the Save button. And now, if I open the registration page, you can see that I have added the address field to the form. Now let me enter in some details. And if I click on the Register button, it will not push through. because we have set the other fields as required, so visitors will have to fill in the required data. After that, when you click on the Register button, it will now take you to the confirmation page where it will tell you that your form was submitted successfully. Now if I go back to the funnel, on the registration page, you will see the view count and conversion count. And if you click on it, you will see the details I have added to the form when I registered: the name, email, phone number, and address. Again, if I go back to that page and submit another one, you will immediately see it on the conversions. And that is how you can add the inputs on CloudFunnels. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.